Hi friends, and welcome to Load of Crock. This is a sweet episode of Load of Crock for two reasons. One, I've got Venus back in the kitchen with me, and that's pretty sweet. And two, what we're making in the crock pot is also pretty sweet. We're putting together a 3-ingredient peach cobbler. Believe it or not, the play on words of sweet is not the only thing that the Venus apron and this peach cobbler dish have in common. No, the other thing is that they are both deals. What kind of deals, you may be asking? I'll tell you. So this apron was ripped basically from top to bottom here across the seam, and there were other tears and frays that were in it, and I got it fixed for the bargain price and deal of $7. $7 to fix an apron? I'd say that's a deal. And then, as I mentioned, this peach cobbler dish only has 3 ingredients: peach pie filling, white or vanilla cake mix, and then a stick of unsalted butter, all totaling $7 or less. $7 or less for an entire dessert dish? I don't know about you, but I'd say deal.
For this recipe, you'll need 2 cans of peach pie filling, white cake mix, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Spray your crock pot bottom and sides, and then add in the 2 cans of peach pie filling. Following this, get your white cake mix, pour it in over the peaches, distributing as evenly as you can. And finally, add your cut up butter.
Now, hopefully you didn't blink while I was putting that crock pot together, because with it being so easy with minimal ingredients, you could have missed it. I put this dish on high for 2.5 hours, and then I turned the crock pot off completely and I just let it sit for 45 minutes, which may feel like a lot, but don't worry, it just really gets everything soaked up nicely, and it is still hot when you serve it. So don't be worried about that part either. Speaking of blinking an eye, in a blink of an eye, we have over 140 subscribers and almost 3,000 views in total on our channel. And I continue to be so thankful for everybody who has shown interest and continues to show interest in this Load of Crock channel. So thank you to all of you. If you're not subscribed, please feel free to do so. All you have to do is click on the subscribe button. There's also a little bell. If you click that, you'll be alerted every time we post a new recipe and video. And speaking of my recipes, don't forget, I do have a website now, myloadofcrock.com. After you've watched this video, you can go there, and the entire recipe, how to put it together, and some of my suggestions for serving are all included there. So now, I'd like to say formally and officially, welcome back, Venus de Milo apron. And for everybody else, check out this sweet deal of a dish, this peach cobbler.